Okay, hey YouTube. This is going to be a pretty quick video on. I'm going to just do an unboxing of this keyboard. This is a Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Stealth Edition, and it says it down here, but you probably can't read it. And I was actually really surprised with the speed of the shipping. I did pay just for the normal standard shipping, which was about £10, and they shipped it from the Netherlands to me in 2 days. So that's pretty cool. This is the basically the stealth version of the normal mechanical Blackwidow, and it uses Cherry MX Brown instead of MX Blue, which I've heard is not silent but just more bearable. So yeah, let's just take this piece of plastic off. It feels really heavy, just the box, and I'm pretty sure most of that weight is the keyboard. Let's take a look. So silent mechanical key architecture, and yeah, they're lying because it's not really silent. Anti-ghosting, and 5 additional gaming keys, which are these kind of macros here on the side, which you can program to do whatever you really want. I'm just gonna. Okay, feels interesting. So Blackwidow Ultimate Stealth Edition. Good. I have got the right package. Now, I don't know why I'm using a screwdriver to open this, but whatever. It's there, as it says here, it's their elite keyboards. They kind of class their products in sort of 3 categories. Crap, I just broke the box. Their elite is their kind of top products, so at least they say it is. Kind of hoping the quality's good. I was debating over several keyboards, to be honest. There was obviously the original Blackwidow, because lots of people said they loved the blues for typing. Or there was also the Q-Pad, I think it was MK85, which had like Cherry MX Red, which I've heard are quite rare, and they're quite nice to type on and stuff. But I chose this because I'm the kind of guy who needs some tactile feedback, which the Browns should give, and I guess I'll be doing a review later. This is just basically literally a unboxing, and that's it. So I should take the keyboard out. Oh, it's heavy. Apparently, yeah, well, there's a box here, it does just nothing in it. Yep, I'll just check just for good measure. Yeah, nothing in the box. Okay, so initial impressions. Feels very sturdy and well built. A lot of people have complained about Razer's quality, and I have to say the keys, the texture on the keys is very nice, and they feel very light. And I'm sure I'll be having quite a lot of fun with this keyboard. It's a threaded cable. I don't know how well you can see that in this light. And yeah, it has 2 gold-plated USB jacks, because one is for these on the side. It's got, yeah, for convenience, I think it has a USB microphone and headphone jack on the side of the keyboard, so if all your connections on your case are like toward the back, then it brings them closer, and I guess it'd be kind of convenient using, plugging them into your keyboard. Anyway, it's just a little extra thing. It's from Razer. For gamers, black gamers, whatever. Don't want to rip it. Great. Congratulations, there is no turning back. Is that a good thing? Okay, I don't care. What's this? Okay, if you can't install one of these keyboards, you are pretty dumb. And this tells you how to use the software, which is apparently also kind of easy to use. And we have some stickers. Surprised they didn't send me like a catalogue or something. They normally, you know, they'd invite me back for more. I've seen that on other people's unboxings, but hey, whatever. I'm not complaining. So what I'll do is I'll test this keyboard for maybe a couple of hours, and I'll upload another video, sort of giving my impressions and properly reviewing it, because I can't right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, comment, like. Stay tuned for more.